As South Africa's official professional industry body for the plumbing sector, the Plumbing Industry Registration Board, or PIRB for short, we receive a lot of questions from plumbers daily. Most plumbers inquire about us, why we're here and what we do. So without further ado, let's dig a little deeper into the inside world of the PIRB. First of all, a professional body refers to an approved organization responsible for overseeing skills, conduct and best practices in a certain industry. For the PIRB, that industry is plumbing. We are not a private company and we have no shareholders or individual owners. Our non-profit is governed and guided by a constitution and elected trustee board, with all overseeing performed by the board and via annual third-party audits. Enacted through the National Qualifications Framework Act, the South African Qualifications Authority has recognized, accredited and registered the PIRB as the professional body for the plumbing sector. Only those that meet the South African Qualifications Authority's strict policies and standards qualify. As a non-profit headed by 10 independent boards of trustees, the PIRB openly promotes best plumbing practices in a space free from political or commercial agendas. We are committed to preserving the integrity of the nation's plumbing industry and its hard-working professionals, a goal we sustain in several ways. The PIRB works hard to ensure the effective administration and maintenance of a live and up-to-date registration system, while monitoring and reinforcing regulations, standards and best practices. By promoting compliance, we can play our part in protecting the environment, public health and safety, and the plumbing industry overall. We at the PIRB are passionate about increasing awareness of our cause to all industry stakeholders while continuously promoting and monitoring the competence of our registered industry professionals. The PIRB is not the same as the Institute of Plumbing of South Africa, the member association providing plumbing companies, suppliers and manufacturers with an open industry forum. The PIRB is, as mentioned, South Africa's official professional body for the plumbing sector. When it comes to generating income, our annual registration fee covers most administration and internal functions. Further revenue is generated through the issuing of plumbing certificates of compliance. Income received through the certificate is used exclusively for auditing processes and its activities, with the goal of taking South Africa's plumbing industry further while driving accountability and sector compliance. We hope this video answered your questions about the PIRB. If you're still unsure of anything, please feel free to explore our FAQ page or contact our team for further assistance today. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to continue acting as South Africa's first port of call for better plumbing practices nationwide for years to come. Stay tuned for our next video to learn more about the PIRB.